Hi, I am Eugenio, speaking. I'm not a spammer. I'm just the average Italian guy who wants to represent, who wants to redefine the media through LiveLeak or other channels. And of course, sometimes I have to make a kind of gesture, a kind of clown. I'm little bored about fake videos, stolen videos, staged videos. Please give a look to my 470 around videos that I have uploaded. The 80–90% are real. And you don't know how many videos LiveLeak deleted. I totally respect LiveLeak. Don't misunderstand me. And it's for this reason I'm forced. I must make the gesture to explain what happens in Italy. That's all. And so if you don't like my way of videos, my way of life, just go to another channel. It's so simple. This is internet. Anyway, peace and love, and Mamma Mia!